I bet you're hungry because I'm about to surprise you with a chocolate overload. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's move on with the recipe. To begin with, in a large mixing bowl, add a cup of white sugar, a half a cup of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Then add a cup of all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until just combined and don't overmix. Cover with plastic wrap. You might need a helping hand and chill in the freezer for 30 to 60 minutes. After that, it should be soft and easy to work with. Using a tablespoon or a cookie scoop, create round balls and place them on a cookie sheet. Repeat this step to all of your dough. Now it's time to bake them. Keep a good eye on them and don't overbake them. In the meanwhile, prepare 18 of your Hershey Kisses. Once your beautiful cookies are done baking, directly place your kisses right on top. They should get warm and melty. Repeat this step to all your cookies. Let them cool, or you can serve them warm and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and leave a comment. And most importantly, subscribe. See you all next time. Goodbye.